This is an excerpt from Diamond Systems for 8-ball and 9-ball players. This video has 1, 2, 3, and 4 rail systems with hundreds of graphics to make learning easy. In this game, the ball I'm trying to hit is on the other end rail. And when this happens, there's a simple system you can use for making good hits. If I hold my cue stick over the cue ball and point it toward the back of the side pocket, we can see that the back of the cue stick is over the second diamond. Now on most tables, when you shoot off the end rail toward the back of the side pocket, your cue ball will strike the other end rail in about the same area as your starting number. Since our starting point is the second diamond, then the cue ball should strike the other end rail around the second diamond. Now I'm going to move the 6 ball to the first diamond and place the cue ball on the path between the first diamond and the back of the side pocket. Next, I'll place the 6 ball in front of the third diamond and put the cue ball on the path between the third diamond and the back of the side pocket. When you first get on a table, it's a good idea to set up this shot where the cue ball is on the path between the second diamond and the back of the side pocket. If you shoot this shot and it ends up below the second diamond, then you'll need to use a touch of running English when performing these kick shots. If you shoot this shot and the cue ball hits above the second diamond, just take note as to how far above the diamond the cue ball hits. In this example, the cue ball hit half a diamond above the second diamond, so I'm going to adjust my aim by about half a diamond on the top side rail. Here the cue ball is on the same path, but this time the object ball is by the first diamond. Since the 8 ball is 1 diamond below the middle diamond, I'm going to add 1 diamond to my path target. If the ball we need to strike is a diamond above the middle diamond, as in this example, then we're going to subtract 1 diamond from our path target. On some tables, it's difficult at this angle to aim toward the third diamond because of the point of the side pocket. So in these shots, you're going to be aiming to hit the rail right next to the side pocket. In this example, we're hooked on the 5 ball, which is by the first diamond on the other end rail. I'll first find the path the cue ball is on to the back of the side pocket. If I hold my cue stick over the cue ball and point it toward the back of the side pocket, we can see that the butt end of the cue stick is between the first and second diamond, which means the end point is going to be right around here on the other end rail. Since the ball we need to strike is about a half diamond from our end point, then we'll just change our path target by half a diamond. Now, instead of shooting toward the back of the side pocket, I'm going to be aiming here, and that should hit our object ball. In this game of 9-ball, our opponent has us hooked on the 4 ball. Before we find our target number, let's check what our cue ball path is. Holding our cue stick over the cue ball and pointing it toward the back of the side pocket, I can see that the butt end of the cue stick is between the second and third diamond. So our endpoint will be here on the other end rail. If I send the cue ball toward the first diamond on the other end rail, I may strike the 4 ball. So let's see if this path works. Since this diamond is 1.5 diamonds from our endpoint, I'm going to add 1.5 diamonds to my cue ball path number. If we hold our pull cue over the point on the rail, the cue ball will strike when it heads toward this new target. We can see that this path won't work. If instead we send the cue ball toward this area on the end rail between the first and second diamond, it should hit the 4 ball. Since this is 1 diamond length from our natural endpoint, I'm going to add 1 diamond length to my aiming point on the top side rail. If we check this path with our pull cue, we can see that this path should strike the 4 ball. Earlier, we examined long rail kick shots where both the object ball and cue ball were on